Alright, well now we have the infobot there. So Clank's mother, huh? Well, I didn't grab the health over here because I was right in a way. I thought this was the end, and it was the end, but I had one more guy to get through. Oh hey, I wonder what's up there. Oh, there's the gold bolt. I don't remember. I think we're missing one, but I think we still have an item that we need to get to. Yeah, there's that secret area over there, and I think the door is closed. We'll find out real quick. It's not like it's that far of a trek. Oop. Oh, now you want to grab onto the ledge. Alright, come on, you little heathens. I'm gonna use you as my protection. Oh, there's only a couple of them left. You know, I mean, they're not that hard. I just didn't want to have to push the button to swing. Let's see, right here? Right in front of me. If you say so. No, it definitely did say so. Yeah, that means I gotta be missing something. It's not... We'll find out sooner or later, I'm sure. But if that's the secret area, I have no idea how to get past that door. I thought we had everything. Yeah, it looks like we have everything. Well, we're missing different weapons. So maybe the other one is a weapon. Yabba dabba doo. Alright, well, I think that's everything here. Let's see, next up is Kalibo 3, where we know that there's a secret area, but we don't know quite how to get it. Know that there's another couple of things here. I know we have to... Oh, I am not about to sit here and refight all of you guys. Wow, didn't even get a chance to swing. And then pop. I said pop. Let's see. I know, unfortunately, I'm not done this area. I know there's a Grail achievement for this one as well. And so I will have to make it through all of this without taking a hit. I don't know, I did fairly well on the last one. We'll see if I can do it again. And if they make me do everything over again, I don't know if I have to break these again or not. We're gonna do everything again anyways. Although I don't actually think that it's necessary. Oh, well, that's a fail. I can't even restart. I have to die. Nope, that's 2 down. I mean, at least it's good practice, right? At least I can admit that it can be practice. Jesus. I can just break these? Now that's just rude. Alright. I wonder. Gadgets? No. Weapons. Can I just do this? No, they can't keep up. That's a shame. That would have been an easy way of cheesing it, but... Alright. It was worth a try, at least. Oop. I gotta remember that I can, in fact, just break them. So instead of having to jump, I can just swing. Oh, that was not... Alright. I don't think I have to hit all the stuff again. So, I guess I just won't. You can fail that, though, then that's good to know. Yeah, it's definitely easier to just... Oh, I can break 2 at once. I definitely thought I'd messed up, but I'd better not attempt to try it with 3. One is one thing, 2 is another animal entirely. Oh, was I just slow after I hit the, you know, face of the bomb or whatever I had hit? I mean, oh, that was almost it right there. Let's just smack up all these. Whoop. Oh! Haha! Alright, made it again. Now, we gotta figure out how to get that other secret area, which is the direct opposite of where I'm at. So it's right there, right? Oh, hey, look. The employee break room? Oh. It's just, you have to warp here. I was wrong the whole time. Well, that's the gold bolt. No, this is the, you know what? Why are all the employees chickens? That's the the big thing I should be asking here. Alright, and there's one other skill point to be had here. I'm tempted to not do it because I don't like having to race at all. I don't think it's a timed thing. I think it's just skill points. We'll try it, but I know it's a lot of points that need to be had. I think I remember a trick to it, but whether or not I'm actually remembering it right is... Oh, buddy. I think if you... Yeah. You do it like this. You can just keep doing this forever. Oh. So doing more stuff gets me more points. Ooh, 350. Oh, I didn't get that one. I didn't get that one either. Why was that one not 350? Do you get reduced points for doing the same thing over and over again? Maybe. I'll just keep trying it then. Yeah, I think that's exactly what it is. Alright, and try another 3 pose one. Haha! Yeah, you definitely get less and less points. Ooh. I can't get enough height for the big boys, but ooh. That's fine. This is fine. Yeah, it doesn't really matter if you make it if you don't land it. I wonder if I... There we go. Nope, they're worth all about the same. The only thing that makes it worth more is doing more varied things. One, two, land it, go. 1, 2, land it, go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Snaggle Beast ain't worth nothing anymore. One, 2, 3, miss. What if I start with this one, and land it? No. What if I get 1, 2, 3? Nope, because I didn't get it. 1, 2. I mean, 40 is a good bit of points. When you're talking about the grand scheme of things. There we go. Well, if I just do 3 flips, it's worth that. But doing and holding it in one direction. Maybe if I 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's worth 60. 1, 2, 3. That's worth a lot more. That was not right. 1, 2. Oh, nope, that was only 2 anyways. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I let go too late. 1, 2, 3. There we go. $60 is not a lot when you're talking about 4,500, but better than nothing. Because that's only worth 30. Looks like 3 is the most you're gonna get to. 1, 2, 3. Nope. I was thinking maybe if I do it another direction, it'll be worth more. No. One, 2, 3. But I suck at landing, man. Alright, I landed that. Oh. 1, 2, 3. I let go too. There we go. I didn't feel comfortable about a third one. 1, 2, 3. No. Trying to think and find 1, 2, 3. That was only 2. Trying to find 1, 2, 3 where I can go to get a consistent amount. Seems like if I hit this corner. No. 1, 2, 3. That still didn't count as a full flip. 1, 2, 3. We're halfway there. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to get as many flips as I can. But man, it's a cold, cold world. Now I stopped. I landed that. One, 2. I didn't land that though. If I just keep getting the 40 at least, it's the easiest to get most consistently. One, 2. 1, 2. I wonder if I could ever pull off another Twisty McMarks. I might be able to pull one off on this level. Because I think that's worth 1,000 points in and of itself. You know what? Let's try it. Let's go see if we can pull off a Twisty McMarks. Well, not happening there. Try it right here. 1, 2, 3. Nope, didn't do that. 1, 2, 3. It's another snaggle beast. 1, 2, nope, not making that. I'm not that worried about it. 1, 2, 3. That's only worth 30. 1, 2, 3. Oh well, I might be able to do it there, but I can't take that chance to... I mean, I guess I have... Oh, that put me on the other end. I've got to be real careful then. 1, 2. One, 2, 3. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. It put me all the way back there, and I was not expecting it to. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, almost had it. Well, that's fine. We didn't get it though. Let's blow these up so I can get the money. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. We didn't get a whole lot more from point A to point B. 1, 2. That's worth 40. We got to get 1,000 more points. Nope, not like that though. The fact that we've been doing this for 9 minutes and I missed the ramp entirely. I mean, partially my fault, because I did try to get more points. One, 2, 3. Well, that was worth a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Didn't get it. I'm just better off just sticking to the 40. Now that was rude. I let go of the buttons. And I didn't get a very far jump on that one. Am I... Nope, didn't figure it out. I thought I might have figured out why I wasn't getting the 3 flips all the time, but maybe I did. I think I was just not holding the button down as I jumped. Yeah, that works out a lot better. As you jump, already be holding down the buttons that you're going to use. So I'm holding down R1, jumping and holding up. Almost got it. Yeah, this is much better. I wonder why Quark was in a shabby Gadgetron thing. Like, he's probably not being hired on through Gadgetron anymore, right? Did he just need to make some money to go AWOL? I could see that. And there we go. We don't even have to finish the race. Jishin. Bunch of points. It's a lot of points though, it really is. I think that was everything here. We got the other gold bolt here, right? I think so. Was there another gold bolt? Yeah. I'm pretty sure there was. Yes. Drive me quickly. And then in we go. All right, now we're back to Velden Orbit. All right. So let's say there's 2 bolts. And I'm sure there's a couple of different sections. Or skill points, yeah. Right, so we are... Huh. I wonder what's down here. Alright, come on. That's 1, 2, 3. Where does this go? Oh my. Oh no. We've done one of these already. Oh geez. Are those mines gonna seek me out? Oh, these lasers are moving. Interesting. I hope the mines don't seek me out. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Ah. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Well, that was fun. I'd like to know if those mines can seek me out. Figure out the range. Oh, come on. I don't want to have to... Grr. The mines do not seek me out. As long as we don't hit the mine, it looks like we'll be alright. And they're just there to be obstacles. I'll have to take my time with some of this. I got 1 minute and 20 seconds, so I just wanted to hurry it up and get it gone, but maybe you don't need to boost all the way? That would be making my life easier, but I need to keep remembering which button is up and which one is down. Because it's kind of my own fault. I'm pushing X to go down for no reason in particular. Oh, I thought I did good. Keep going. Oh, jeez. Down. One, 2, 3. That was pretty good. Ooh. Was that pretty good? What is this thing?
Alright.
A code bot. Where do I see that at? Oh, is that... You know what? I didn't even think about these. There is always one code bot for each fault, and therefore a code bot can only be used once. Okay, so where does that need to be used at then? I think that there is an unfortunately. Skill point for the underwater piece right here. I think we have to go through it without being hit. This is gonna take me back to my ship. Yeah.